Good morning, children. Today we are going to do ordered list. Now, as we have already learned before, that the unordered list is a kind of a list where the list of elements is not numbered. Like we will see this, we did yesterday last class. This was a HTML program where we had written all the uses of internet in the form of a list, but it was not numbered. It had come in the form of bullets. But now when sometimes the numbering becomes very important, we have to create ordered list. Now how to create ordered list? The same program, I will only make a small change that the UL will become OL. Okay, it's very simple to remember. UL for unordered list and OL for ordered list, and all the others remains the same. Now you have to again save this file. So I'll go to save as, and wherever I'm saving, I'm changing the name also, ordered list dot html. I hope you remember, you always have to save the file using the .html extension and then save. Now before you click on the save button, please take a look as to where this has been saved. So I saved there, it was saved on the desktop. So I go to desktop, see this is my ordered list. Now see here, this icon is that of a notepad. That means if you double click on this icon, this program will open in notepad. But in order to view the HTML program, the web page, these HTML programs must be opened using any browser. So in order to do that, I will select the file and right click on the file and go to open with. And then in open with, I will choose any browser. There are three browsers. I will choose the first one. Now you can see this was the unordered list where it was coming bullets, and now you have the ordered list where it is coming in numbering. So you can understand here that the default kind of ordered list is decimal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to change the form of numbering, simply go to the OL tag and give type equals to, suppose I want Roman 1, 2, 3. So let's see if this works. And simply I will reload this page. So can you see the numbering format has been changed? So if I want to change again to small Roman 1, 2, 3, don't forget to save before viewing the web page and then refresh the page. See, the numbering format of this has changed. So these are the different types of ordered list. You can the same program, simply you have to change the U to O. The UL becomes OL, and there are other variations of numbering in the ordered list which is given by the tag type, and you give within double quotes what kind of numbering you want. If you want the numbering to come as ABCD, so you give only A. Save, refresh. See, the numbering has come as ABCD. I would also like to include one very attractive feature of HTML programs, which is called Marquee Tag. Now what is the Marquee Tag? The Marquee Tag is basically a moving text which appears on the web page, and by default it has some features like in which direction it is going to move, up and down, right and left, and so on. So we will do the very simple one today, and then we will go into the details in the next class. This tag is very simple since it's a Marquee tag. Simply within brackets you give MARQUEE, okay, and within not within double quotes, whatever text you want it to appear on the screen, you simply write that. So learning list in HTML. Oops, fine. And then you close the Marquee tag. So this tag is going to now, sorry, this should be inside the body just after the OL tag ends. So again I will save and then I will just update this page. See, can you see this text which is scrolling from the right hand side margin? So this has been included through the Marquee tag. Now the Marquee tag has properties like direction, and it can if I give the direction and behavior, then you will see what are the changes. So let us see the features of Marquee tag. Now this Marquee tag features has to be given inside the beginning tag of Marquee. So I will write direction. In the book you can see there are 4 directions: left, right, up and down. So let's give the property, save and refresh the page. So now see, by default it is coming from the left hand side, but now it is coming from the right hand side. So giving direction equals to left is basically unnecessary. Now let us give up. What will happen? Let's see. Refresh. See, this is the refresh button, or you can press F5 also. See, this is going up, and if you change it to down, it will start scrolling down. Okay, save, refresh. Now see, it is scrolling down. So these are the different directions of Marquee tag. Now let us see what are the behaviors. One is alternate, one is scroll, and one is slide. The first one that appeared by default was scrolling. So let us see what happens in alternate and slide. So let us keep this right. And another behavior just below that is just see the spelling. It is not IOUR, it's IOR. These are important, otherwise you will not get to see the desired results on the web page. These are programming languages, so these spellings are important. It's a part of the syntax. I will give alternate. Save, refresh the page. So let's see. Now this was coming from right to left. Now what will happen? So it's bounced back from the right hand side margin, and then it went back. So in this way it is going to bounce from one margin to the other. Now let's see what will happen for slide. It is going to slide and stop. Like others, we saw that it was repeating the motion. It is not going to repeat. It is just going to come and place itself at one end. And did not change anything. Oh, sorry. Made the change in the wrong place. So since the direction is right, so it is going to go towards the right margin. And stop. So this is the sliding behavior. So for homework, you can go through the book covering ordered list and Marquee tag. And if you have any questions, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.